Are you looking for the easiest way to prepare your shito? Oh my goodness, the shito is absolutely delicious. And today, trust me, you will love it. This is Lena, and welcome to my kitchen. I share easy recipes here. So recently, a subscriber asked for shito recipe. I will be pinning her comment in the comment section if only she'll be watching this video, which I know she will definitely watch. Now, I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's get started. So with my cooking pot here, I have my pepper, ginger, garlic, onions. I blended, added my natural herbs and spice blend, and that is what I'm stirring. You can see that the oil has a color like it is stew. Okay, we got it from the stew. No, it is because I fried my shrimps about some few minutes ago, about 2 minutes ago, and then I used the oil to blend the ingredients. So it is not tomatoes, okay, or it is not anything serious. It is just oil from the shrimps. That is just by the way. I'll keep on stirring till I just want to rest and then we continue later. So this is what we are going to do. You make sure the fire is not too high under it, okay? I actually do not use medium heat. I use low, very low. I don't rush when it comes to preparing food. I always want to relax. Now, the reason why I don't rush when I am preparing food is I don't want the place to be messy and then give myself another work, because I know very well that no one is going to do it for me. I am the one who would do it. So why would I give myself work and then be struggling? So that is another reason I have covered the shito halfway. I don't want the place to be messy. Now I've added my powdered pepper, and then we'll give it a stir and then continue. When you are cooking and you relax to prepare the food, okay, you don't give yourself work, because I have realized that that's time that I will use to clean the stove and then the kitchen. I can use that time to do voiceover or to do another work, because no one is going to do that work for me. So why should I give myself more whilst I know I have a lot to do? That is what I'm trying to say. So far we have our seasoning. We have our spices, okay, and then the herbs. That is the ginger, pepper, garlic, and then the rest with the powdered pepper I added. That is the only thing you are seeing on the screen. I've not added anything yet. I will stir it very well on a very lower heat. Just note this, very lower heat. I know you may say it takes time for it to cook, so you won't put it on a lower heat. Maybe that is your that is what you prefer, okay, but I prefer taking my time to prepare the food, so I don't give myself extra work. Now allow it to be on fire and then we will continue. So I'll give it a stir. You have to keep an eye on it so that it does not burn. In as much as shito is black, it does not mean you have to burn it, okay? In as much as shito is black, it does not mean burn it. If you burn it, it will become bitter. So take your time to prepare your shito. What you are seeing on the screen, on the oil, on top of the oil, is rosemary, okay? Yes, that is what is beginning to float. Now I have added my bay leaves. That is bay leaves that I got from my garden, and I dried them. So it is very, very organic, and it smells very different from the one that we've been buying. Oh yes, it smells very good. I didn't know bay leaves smells good like that. So it's organic, and I added some curry powder to that. You can omit it if you don't like the curry powder. Now give it a stir and then allow it to do its own thing. I told you earlier that in as much as shito is black, it does not mean you should burn it. Okay, so now we are just going to stay aside for some time, monitor it, and I will get back to you. If you've watched me till this point, it means you like what you are watching. Thank you. Can you please like the video for me, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and please, if you subscribe, you're not going to regret, because we always serve you the best. We share easy recipes, and that is the reason you have to subscribe or follow for more videos. Okay, thank you so much for doing it for me. We have 3 channel. Okay, the YouTube channel, we share the recipes there in 3 language. The name is Recipe Goddess. Kindly subscribe to that channel for me, and let's learn there as well. Now I will check on the shito quickly, and then we can continue. So this is how it looks. Oh my goodness, it smells so good and absolutely delicious already. I am just going to add my fish powder and then my shrimp powder to it very soon, but I have not added anything yet. Again, okay, it's just the pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, and then natural herbs and spice blend with my bay leaves and then curry powder. I have not added anything yet. Okay, now if you don't want the shrimps, you can omit it, because because the Adventists like this, they don't eat shrimps. Some people too, they are allergic to shrimps, so you can prepare this without shrimps. You can prepare this without the fish as well. Okay, if you want to use meat, you can go ahead and use it. Just do what you feel like doing. Now go ahead and then add my fish powder. So that is the fish powder I have added. I'll just go ahead and then give it a stir. At this moment, the shito looks so good and it is almost ready. Just look at that. Absolutely good and absolutely delicious. Okay, give it a stir and then have patience with it. I prepared shito, but just look at my stove top. Just look at the cooking pot. So good. They look clean. No work. Oh yes, I won't give myself work. It is only kenkey that when I prepare, I get a lot of work to do, because you will see the water all over the stove top. But apart from that, when I prepare any other thing, you won't see anything on the stove. And then when I fry something, maybe fish or anything, do you get it? I tasted and it tasted, it was so nice. So when you are preparing food, just relax and do your thing. That is why you have to start on time, so that you won't give yourself work. This is how it looks now. I will go ahead and then add my shrimp powder. So I added the shrimp powder to it. I don't know why the camera couldn't capture that, but I have added the shrimp powder to it. I'll give that a stir. One thing about shito and then wachi stew or anything that you use, you add shrimp powder to, is that you don't need to add anything seasoning plenty to it to taste good, because the shrimp itself tastes very good. The fish as well adds some delicious taste and flavor to it, and then the herbs and seasoning, the natural seasoning, also adds taste to it. So you don't have to stress yourself adding a lot of seasoning to it, but it will surely taste good. Okay, so I did not add anything to it except a bit of salt. Okay, and trust me, anyone who buys shito from me knows that my shito is number one. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.